Assalamualaikum and very good morning, Madam Hidayah. Today I would like to brief my general paper research about image processing based eye detection, a theoretical method. So let me begin my video with an introduction. Monitoring biological characteristics of the driver such as electroencephalogram, electroopulograph, and electrocardiogram that employ sensors to assess the tiredness of person at the steering. Few researchers work show that drowsiness can also be measured using HRV, which give LF and HF signals. In another study, Zhang Yu proposed an alternative solution to overcome the above-mentioned limitation, in which the vehicle steering wheel is encased in a facilitating fabric that serves as an electrode shielding the driver. System based on image processing. Fact that any device or system that monitors physiological features as well as vehicle behavior is more dependable because physical signal acquisition is relatively simpler and accurate in terms of the result it produces. Here's have a few algorithms. First is face detection algorithm. Face detection is used in multidisciplinary fields like neural network, pattern recognition, physical, and image processing. The first breakthrough was made in the 50s in the discipline of physiology. The major research on face recognition was taken up in the 1960s. The researchers tried to extend it for human face recognition. In research on 1970s, Cy Kennedy, who attempted to design completely automated system for the face recognition and found 45 to 75% accurate in identification. However, they developing together a new algorithm encompassing such category. First is knowledge-based method. This really heavy on the shape and features of the face, and they may also make us of symmetric eye and the colors of eye being darker than the skin beneath. Second is feature invariant method. In this method, they resort to lower order attributes like corners, color, shape, and texture of the skin for detecting the face. Third is template matching method. This is by far the most extensively used technique for detection as it tends to be unaffected by noise, is relatively faster and operationally more feasible that makes implementation all the easier. Appearance-based method. The onus is on statistically analysis and machine learning for detection of the required face attributes. Second is eye detection algorithm. Eye tracking scans the maneuvers of the eye to predict the direction in which the driver is looking and the extent of time to which he looks. The traditional based method in eye detection are further classified into three categories. First, template-based method. During 90s, researchers used template-based method for eye detection. Second, appearance-based method. As is likely from the name, such model capture eyes on the basis of photometric appearance. Lastly, feature-based method. As discussed above, this classification looks into the attribute like iris, corners, sclera in place of eyes. Another study carried out the state that color space can be used for face and eye detection. The said algorithm in question works on the extraction of face by using the skin information. This algorithm tries to trace the skin region by changing RGB image to HSV, which stand for hue to give absolute color saturation, which talk about how white light interfere with the pure color and value that throws light on the intensity of the image. Encapsulation of conventional method to distinguish between the eye and other facial features. The tracking of the eye is achieved by using distinguishing features such as the iris pupil color, shape of the eye, and its edge, to name a few. So before I end my video presentation for today, here is my conclusion point for my video on general research paper. So, based on the extension review carried out on the already prevailing eye detection technique, it is evident that the parameters for an optimum technique can be enumerated as follows. First, the setback of illumination effect can be vanquished by incorporating different color conversion methods. Second, the synergy achieved by combination of diverse approaches will warrant a more reliable eye detection option. The algorithm on neural network analysis can come in handy for bringing down the search time. Lastly, algorithms should be capable of serving the purpose round the clock despite of the variation in the brightness. Work for day or night time condition under different brightness, clock phase and alignment. Thank you.